In this video, I am going to solve or discuss the solutions to the problem number 3 and problem number 4 of the given mock exam. So let's start with the problem number 3. A manufacturing facility in Quezon City is exploring the possibility of implementing a solar power system to meet its energy needs. This system is available for purchase and installation at an initial cost of 5.8 million. It is estimated to generate annual savings of 120,000 kilowatt hours of electricity over a 5-year period. The cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 12.50 pesos. The MARR is 12% per year. Additionally, the market value is projected to be at 800,000 at the end of 5 years and with negligible annual maintenance expenses or cost. Okay? So, ang gagawin daw natin dito is to use the present worth method to evaluate if this system is economically justified. Okay? So, let's first draw the cash flow diagram for the given scenario. Okay? So we know the initial cost of 5.8 million. 5 years ang ating period. Okay? 800,000 ang ating market value or the salvage value. Okay, so let's try to draw. So since 5 years lang naman, so start from year 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So that's up to 5 years. Now for year 0, we will incur a cost of 5.8 million. Okay? So meron tayong negative 5.8 dito. At year 5, okay? Market value is projected to be 800,000. Okay, so meron tayong pataas na 800,000. Okay? Negligible annual maintenance cost. Okay, so wala tayong annual na pababa. However, meron daw tayong annual na savings. And these savings are expressed in terms of the kilowatt hour of electricity, no? So every year, ang sabi dito, for each year meron tayong 120,000 kilowatt hour na masasave. Okay? Pero in terms of money, magkano yon each year? Okay? So we need to multiply this kilowatt hour with the value of or the cost of 1 kilowatt hour of electricity. So, i-multiply pa natin ito ng 12.50. Okay? So, doing that, so meron tayong 120,000 multiplied by 12.50 pesos. Okay? So, each year, we will save 1.5 million pesos. Okay? So, magdadagdag ako dito ng annual cash flows which are worth 1.5 million each year. Okay? So, that will be our cash flow diagram. Now, let's solve or let's compute the present worth of this project. Okay? So, we know that present worth, lahat dapat ng cash flows ay converted into its present value. Okay? So, itong 5.8 million dito sa year 0. So, let's just copy it. Negative 5.8 million. Bakit negative? Kasi pababa siya. Okay? For this annual cost, kailangan nating i-transform. Okay? Using our formula. So, paano ulit yun? P is equal to A times 1.1 plus I raised to n minus 1 over I times 1.1 1 plus I raised to n. Okay? And if given ka naman ng future value to get the present value, that is f times 1 plus I raised to negative n. So, yan lang naman yung formula na gagamitin natin. Okay? So, for the annual savings of 1.5 million, to get its equivalent present worth, that is plus, okay, plus 1.5m multiplied by, ano yung I ulit natin? I is equal to 12%. Okay, 12%. So, this is times 1.12 raised to 5 minus 1 over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 5. Okay? And then plus another one, yung ating 800,000 converted into present worth. So, that is 800,000 times 1.12 raised to negative 5. Okay? Using your calculator, check natin kung tama yung sagot ko. So, negative 5.8 million plus 1.5 million times 1.12 raised to 5 minus 1 all over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 5. Okay? Then plus 800,000 times 1.12 raised to negative 5. So that is 61,105. Tama ba? 0.79. So it is positive. Okay? Walang negative sign dito. Therefore, this is greater than 0. The project is justified. And problem 4. This time we have Santa Rosa, Laguna, exploring options to improve its wastewater treatment facility. 2 proposals are under consideration. For Plan A, this involves upgrading the existing treatment plant with advanced filtration systems. The initial investment for Plan A is 4.2 million and it is expected to have a lifespan of 30 years. The annual cost is estimated at 100,000 pesos. On the other hand, we have Proposal B or Plan B. This suggests constructing a new treatment plant with a state-of-the-art technology for biological nutrient removal. The cost for Plan B is 3.5 million, also with a lifespan of 30 years. And additionally, Plan B requires an investment of 500K for an equipment. Itong equipment na to, merong siyang lifespan of 15 years with a salvage value of 250,000. For Plan B, the operating cost is 25,000. And for both plans, ang MARR natin is 12%. So which plan are we going to recommend to Santa Rosa, Laguna? Okay? So first, start tayo sa pag-drawing ng cash flow diagrams ng Plan A at Plan B. Okay? So let's start with Plan A. For Plan A, the lifespan is 30 years. So, i-cut na lang natin yung ating cash flow diagram. Yan. So, this is 30. This is year 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Okay? At year 0, mag-i-invest tayo ng 4.2 million. So, that is 4.2 million pababa. What else? Annual operating cost is 100,000. Okay, so pababa each year. From year 1 up to year 30, meron tayong 300,000. Tama ba? No, 100,000, sorry. So this is 100,000 pesos pababa. No data available for salvage value, so we assume 0. Okay? So this is for Plan A. So, i-diretso na natin. Let's compute for the net present value or the present worth. So, same lang yan. Okay? Of Plan A. Okay? So, we have negative 4.2 million minus kasi pababa siya. Also minus 100,000 converted into its present value. So this is 1.12 raised to 30 minus 1 over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 30. Okay? So check lang natin kung tama yung nakalagay dito. So negative 4.2 million minus 100,000 times 1.12 raised to 30 minus 1 divided by 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 30 equals. So it is a negative 5.005 million. Okay, so negative value siya. Take note of that. Okay, so let's compare this one to our plan B. So for plan B, same lang yung number of years or lifespan natin. So it is 30 years pa rin. Okay? So 30, 29, start 0, 1, 2, and somewhere here is your 15 year. Okay? Construction cost is 3.5 million. Okay? So meron tayo pababa na 3.5 million. Okay? Yan. What else? Additionally, okay, so additionally, proposal B requires an investment of 500,000. So aside from this 3.5 million, meron pa daw akong additional na 500,000. Okay, so that's for my equipment, auxiliary equipment. Okay? And that equipment, meron siyang lifespan of 15 years. And meron siyang salvage value at the end of 15 years na 250,000. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang pataas dito at year 15 na 250,000. Okay? Annual operating cost is estimated to be 25,000 each year. Okay, so pababa na 25,000. So yan yung cash flow ng plan B. Okay, so don't forget to include yung details about your auxiliary equipment. Okay? Yan, so computing for the net present value or present worth of plan B. So this is, so ano siya? 3.5 plus 0.5, so that is 4 million in total at year 0, so negative. Okay? Then, for the annual cost na 25K, so that is negative 25K, tas 1.12 raised to 30 minus 1 over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 30. Okay? And for the salvage value at year 15, so that is plus, kasi positive siya, 250K times 1.12 raised to negative 50. Solving for this value, so negative 4 million minus 25,000 times 1.12 raised to 30 minus 1 over 0.12 times 1.12 raised to 30. Okay, plus 250K in present value. So we have, tama ba yung answer dito? Yes, so it is negative 4.155 million. Okay, so comparing the two, we want to select the option which gives us the least cost. Okay, so the least cost if we pursue option B or plan B. So plan B is better.